Welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a shortcut key how to calculate the subtotal. Normally here there is one example for sales data. If you want to calculate the subtotals, this is month-wise sales data. If you want to calculate the subtotals, what we will do? Normally we will click the cell here and we will go and search for the auto sum. Then we will click this auto sum like this, and if we press again we will get the required total. But here it is for only 2 months, but if it is for several months, then it will take more time, so unnecessary time will be wasted. Instead of doing like this, we can go for one shortcut. Now I will demonstrate how to do that. Here what we have to do is we have to select this cell. Using the control key, I have selected the two cells only. Okay, what I am going to do is I'm going to use the shortcut key Alt equal to. See, we are able to get the totals quickly. This is the way you have to use the calculate the subtotals. This is a shortcut key you have to press Alt equal to. Okay, thanks. Bye.